Hi everybody, this is Mark Edelman, speech-language pathologist, and welcome to the teaching of talking. This will be a very simple little video. It's called Getting Started. And you might go, well, what do you mean by that, Mark, getting started? Well, there are lots of people out there who, because of one reason or another, have stopped in terms of their improvement in speaking. Either they were discharged from therapy, or they reached the caps, or, well, they just kind of decided to take the lesser path and kind of take a break for a while. Well, that's one way to do it. But there's another way, and this way is called getting started. Now, we all know that if we need to go anywhere and we have a destination we want to go to, we kind of get in the car and take the keys out, put it in the ignition, start it, and off we go. Well, the same thing can go towards improvement of speech. It's called getting started. It's just like a car. You get in there, you turn the key, and you go. Well, the same thing goes with improving your speaking. If you're going to improve your speaking, you've got to take it out of neutral and put it back into drive again and find somebody to work with. Now, apps are okay and all of that, but they're not going to really help you speak again, especially if it's a severe to profound difficulty. With severe problems, you've got to find a good therapist, a therapist who knows their way around, a therapist who can look at your loved one's speech and determine what the problem is and what the initial first steps can be. And there's nothing that's going to replace a good, experienced speech pathologist. Don't think it's going to be an app, and don't think it's going to be software or any of that stuff, because that really doesn't. So if you're going to get started, find yourself an expert. And then once you find yourself an expert, start working with that expert and have that expert determine what the problem is and where to start, and have that expert train you. Now, I am of the belief, and I've been practicing 47 years, I'm of the belief that in moderate to severe to profound problems, you've got to have somebody around the house. If they're at home, you've got to have somebody around the house who knows what to do to help reinforce the new speaking skills. It's an everyday commitment. If you look at some of the most famous people in their worlds, you'll find that these people were committed to their discipline or whatever it was that they were studying or mastering. They were committed each and every day to pursue whatever it was that they wanted to achieve. And that could be in science, it could be in sports, it could be in any number of other endeavors. It just takes a committed everyday focus and a laser focus and a determination and a commitment that is not half-hearted, but it's 100%. So, this is a new year. And it's a new day. And you can, chances are, develop better speech. And a good speech pathologist can pick a particular goal or a maneuver for you to get started with. And if they're good, they won't make it hard, they won't make it difficult, they'll make it easy, so that the caregiver develops confidence and the person with aphasia develops confidence too. So this is Mark Edelman, speech pathologist. This whole message today was about getting started. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great week, a great month, and of course a great year. And if you want to contact us or find out more about our work, underneath the video you'll find a number of links and ways to contact us. So this is Mark Edelman. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye now.